channel. This is Naman and I'm finally back with another video. So I haven't posted in a very long time, and that's because I've been busy lately. I was traveling and then I got sick, and then I had to attend a couple of weddings. So I just couldn't get a chance to make another video, and honestly this is not good for the channel. But now I'm back and I will posting very frequently. So stay tuned on the channel. And also, if any of you guys are new here, just wanted to let you know this is a channel wherein I talk majorly about sneakers, and lately I have been talking about clothing as well. Now, talking about clothing, as you all know, winter is already here, and I have picked up a lot of clothing in the last 1 to 2 months, and I just wanted to share with you guys. As you can see over here, I've got a bunch of articles that I've recently picked up. As you can see, it's a good mix of a lot of different colors, and I will be talking about all of these in brief, just to give you a quick look and how you can style these particular items. And behind me, as you can see, I've got a few sneaker boxes. So I've shortlisted these sneakers, just to give you a quick look that which particular sneaker is good to style with which particular clothing item. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and please hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Now, without wasting any more time, let's quickly start. I think I'll just start with the hoodies. It's a winter season and hoodies are a must have in everybody's collection. There are different varieties in hoodies as well. For example, there are fleece hoodies, there are knitted hoodies, there are cotton hoodies, there are heavyweight hoodies, there are light hoodies, and then coming to sizing, there are oversized hoodies, slim fit not much. I mean, there are not a lot of brands who make particularly slim fit hoodies, but regular hoodies and oversized hoodies are the two type of hoodies that are majorly worn during winter. Let's start with one of the staples, plain black solid hoodie. Now, black is one color that I love and one color that I style or I wear the most specifically during winters, and having a plain solid black hoodie is a must. I mean, for me, it's a must to have a black solid hoodie in your collection, because this is so easy to style. I mean, you're going anywhere, or you have blue denims or you have black denim, or if you wanna wear cargo pants or joggers, black hoodie is something that goes with everything. Now, talking in detail about the hoodie, this hoodie is from H&M. Now, generally H&M hoodies are not that heavy in weight, the basics one that come, but this is from a special edition. This is a H&M cotton heavyweight hoodie. This particular edition of hoodies or winter wear was launched last year, wherein I think they came up with 4 colors, in which they launched a heavyweight hoodie, a jogger like the one that I'm wearing right now, and a cotton t-shirt, half sleeves and full sleeves as well. And this year as well, they have continued with this edition of heavyweight clothing, and they have added a bunch of other colors as well. For if you want, I'll put the links down in the description for you guys so you can check it out. Quickly talking about the pricing, general H&M hoodies goes for around 1500 rupees, but this one is a bit expensive. This goes for around 2600 rupees or 2700 rupees. I'm not sure. I'll put the price somewhere here so you know the exact price for these. And the reason for that is because this is a heavyweight hoodie and have got extra clothing added to it. This is definitely warmer than your general H&M hoodies. So I recently traveled to Kashmir, and as you guys know that Kashmir is very cold. I mean, it is one of the highest peaks of India. And when I was there, and I just wore a basic t-shirt and I just put this on the top, and this was so warm that I didn't need to add any more layer to it. Now, talking about the second hoodie that I picked, so this is the second hoodie that I picked. This is from Uniqlo, and this one goes for around 2500 rupees. So this is a knitted hoodie from Uniqlo, and one color that I've been eyeing since last winter, but last year I bought a lot of clothing, so I decided not to go for this last year. But when I saw this color available this year as well, I had to buy it. This is a really nice color because mostly in winters people are wearing black, grey. Like the hoodie I showed you is black color, but sometimes you would want to wear colors as well in winters, and this is one color which is not too dark like black and grey, and not too bright like red or your yellow. So something which is in middle, something that looks really nice. I wore this in Kashmir as well. Again, this is also very warm. I didn't need to add another layer to this one as well. Now quickly talking about the styling, so I would suggest you not to wear this particular hoodie on a blue denim, because I don't think that a blue color on the top and blue color on the bottom would look that nice. My suggestion, my advice to you would be to wear this particular hoodie with a black lower. You can go for a black denim or a black jogger. If you want to go for a blue lower, then I would suggest to go for a dark blue denim, like a navy blue denim. Don't go for a light one. Trust me, that would not look nice. I styled it up in Kashmir on a black denim, and I wore a white t-shirt beneath it, and just let the white t-shirt come out a little bit, which gave it an extra color that looked really nice. Now talking about styling it up with sneakers. So if you're going for a black denim look, either you can style these with an all white shoes like I did in Kashmir, like I showed you in the clip over here, or if you want, you can pull up similar color blue sneakers as well, like these Converse. I recently picked up these as well. To wear a black denim beneath this and pull these up, yes, that would be a lot of blue, but some people can actually pull that off really well. So if you're one of those who can pull it off, if you can pull off a matching shoes and matching hoodie, then you can definitely try sneaker like Converse Chuck Taylors or any other sneaker that you can match with this particular hoodie. Or if you want to pull this up with joggers, I think it would look really nice with black joggers as well, like the one that I'm wearing right now. And for that, you can definitely go for an athleisure kind of sneakers. So I have here Puma RS6 Palace Blue. I think this color matches pretty well, and I personally think that this would look really nice. I can imagine that that particular outfit would look great, and something that I would definitely pull up. And if I do, I will definitely post a fit pic on my Instagram channel. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, here's my Instagram ID. Do check it out. I do post a lot of fit pics over there and some of the other sneaker content as well. So that's it about this particular hoodie. Now coming on to the third one. So this is a fleece hoodie. This is, as you can see, kind of a beigeish color. Very nice neutral color that you can pull up in winters. And also fleece hoodies are quite in fashion this year, so definitely a must have in a collection, or if not a must have, at least check these out because they're very warm and they look really nice. Also, a lot of brands have been coming up with fleece hoodies. I think H&M has recently come up with 3 different colors in fleece hoodies: black, something similar beigeish, and there is one more color. Also, because this is a very neutral color, this is something which is very easy to style on. You can just pull it up with a black jogger, you can pull it up with a dark brown jogger, you can also pull this up with a blue denim. So something which is very easy to style up. And I actually didn't buy this. My wife recently went to Himachal and she got it from there. This is not of any particular brand. This is something which was made by the people, locals over here. So I mean, I'm not one of those who are always into brands. I'm one of those who like to wear something because that would look nice. I do care about the quality, and this is a very good quality. I think she got it for around $1,000 or 1,200 rupees. I'm not really sure, but I think this is made of premium materials, very warm and very good quality. So definitely check out a fleece hoodie. I'll put some of the links down in the description for you guys so you can check it out. Right, so I'm done with the 3 hoodies that I got in this season. Now coming up quickly with some of the crew neck sweatshirts, starting with this particular one. So this color, now I'm actually one of those guys who do not wear pink colored clothes or pink shoes or anything related to pink. I'm one of those who do not like pink. I mean, this is not a gender thing for me. I mean, I'm not trying to say that men should not wear pink. It's just me personally who do not like to wear pink clothing. And typically this is not a pink color as well. This is more like salmon. But yeah, it does come in the pink color palette or the pink color family. But yes, this one, when I saw this, I really liked it. I liked this color because I don't have any clothing, even remotely close to this particular color. So I saw this, I really liked it, I tried it out and it looked good on me. So I thought, why not, let's give this a try. And this was not going for that much as well. This is from Uniqlo, very similar to this when it comes to quality. So very warm as well. Now the price I think for this, the MRP is around 2000 rupees, but this was going in the sale and I got these for very good price. I think I paid 990 rupees for this, which I think is a very good price for a hoodie from Uniqlo. Now coming on to the another one, here it is a light yellow colored crew neck sweatshirt. So this is actually the same, same model, I would say, in a different color. So this was also going for a sale. The MRP is 1990 rupees, 1990. I got this for 50%, around 995 rupees. These I actually bought both of these together. And the reason I went for a light yellow color is because this is one color that I really like to wear every once in a while. Something that I would not probably wear every day, like a black or a grey hoodie, but something that I would like to wear every once in a while, like in 10 days or 15 days, just to mix the colors that I'm wearing, because I'm somebody who likes to wear colors. I'm not one of those guys who only wear four colors: black, grey, blue and white. Also, I do have a few yellow colored sneakers as well, so I thought this would be a good addition to the collection. As you can see over here, this is one of the sneakers that I recently picked. These are Air Jordan 1 Pollens. I recently reviewed these as well. So if you haven't checked out the review, the link is over here. Colors do not match. It's like a mismatch yellow colored outfit if you want to go for. So you can pull this up, you can wear your white denims or black denims, either of those, and you can just pull these up. I do have another sneaker as well that I recently picked up, which I think would be very close to that color. It is over here. So this is a New Balance 574 that I recently picked up. Here it is. I think this particular color is very close to this particular sneaker. Again, not exactly the same color shade, but something which is very close. And this is because more of an athleisure sneaker. So I would suggest that if you're going for a jogger look, if you're wearing a black jogger and you're wearing this particular sweatshirt on it, then you can definitely go for a yellow colored or similar yellow colored sneaker. If not, then you can always go for your basic white, beige, black colored sneakers if you don't want to pop your sneakers out. Coming on to this one, I'll quickly talk about it. I've already shown this particular sweatshirt on my channel. This is a Bomachi crew neck sweatshirt. Bomachi is an Indian streetwear brand, one brand that has been getting famous lately because they have been doing a lot of shows. So a lot of sneaker events have been happening lately in India, and I actually bought this from a sneaker event that I went around 2 months back. I posted a sneaker event vlog as well, so if you haven't checked it out, do check it out. That's been doing really well on my channel. And thank you to all those subscribers who subscribed because of that sneaker event video. So yeah, I got it from there. This was also going for 1000 rupees. Generally the price for their crew neck sweatshirts is around 2000 rupees. I'll put the link for their website down in the description. Definitely check it out. I think we should definitely try and help out our Indian streetwear brands because they are the ones who have been promoting the culture, the streetwear culture in India from the start. Got really nice collection, and every year as the season changes, like in winter or like in summer, they do come up with different colors, new colors that they add to their collection. And I think this year they have come up with blue colored hoodie, like similar to this one, but because I already bought it from Uniqlo is the reason I didn't go for Bomachi. Else I would have definitely tried their hoodie. So that's it about this particular one. Now quickly I'll talk about a couple of jackets that I recently picked up. So this is, as you can see, it's a denim jacket, something which is a must have in every guy's wardrobe, not just guys, in everybody's wardrobe, girl or a guy. Something that looks really nice, something which has been there for a long time, and something which everybody loves to wear in winters. Also, which is something which you can easily layer up with a hoodie or with a t-shirt in winters which are not that cold. I mean, weather which is currently going on in Delhi or in most of the parts in India. You can easily pull up a t-shirt. Just pull up this particular jacket on it. You will not feel cold and you will not feel that hot as well. This is a perfect jacket for this weather right now. And I got this from Zara. I think the MRP for this is 3000 rupees, which is not a lot. This is my second denim jacket from Zara. Last year I bought the classic blue denim jacket from Zara. When I saw this particular one, I really loved it and I had to get this because I love red color. I mean, if you haven't checked out my channel yet, I've always said that I love red colored sneakers. And I think this is a great addition to my wardrobe, something I would love to wear this season. Now quickly talking about how to style this particular jacket up with sneakers. If you're going for an outfit, white t-shirt, blue denim and this jacket on the top, I think you should definitely go for a sneaker which is white in color and has got a little bit of red, popping out of it, like the one I have here. So these are Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. You should definitely try to go for a white shoe. If it's an all white shoe, then there is no problem. It would also look nice. But if you have a shoe, which has got a little bit of red popping out of it, I think that would be better because that would, actually match your upper. So a white t-shirt and a red jacket and a sneaker which is predominantly white, which is a little bit of red popping out of it. Or if you have a red sneaker which has got a little bit of white on it, you can go for that as well. So like these, these are Air Jordan 1 low bread toe. So a white and a black sneaker and just have got a little bit of red on the back of it, a little bit of red on the outsole. So you can style this up with this particular shoe as well. So you don't have to go for these particular shoes. I'm just giving you an idea that what kind of sneakers that you can style this jacket with. You can also try to style this particular jacket up with a black outfit. So if you want, you can go for an all black outfit like a black denim, a black t-shirt and put this jacket on the top. So the red color would actually pop out really well. And if you're going for that particular look, then I would suggest you go for a sneaker which is predominantly black or red. You can go for an all red sneaker as well, or you can go for a sneaker like this particular one. So these are my customized Air Force Ones. If you haven't checked out my customized video, I customized these sneakers from Nike website. I'll put the link over here. Do check it out. It's a really nice video that gives you a step-by-step process how to customize your own Nike sneaker from the Nike website. Now enough about the uppers for the moment. Let's quickly talk about some of the joggers that I've recently picked. I'm sure that everybody's know that having a good jogger in winter season is a must have, because you don't have to just warm up your upper body, you have to take care of your lower body as well, and joggers are the perfect way to do that, because these are very comfortable, these are warm. I'm someone who wears joggers in winter like everywhere. Like if the offices were open and if I would get a chance, I would wear a jogger in the office as well, but unfortunately that was not allowed. But yeah, nonetheless, so I got this from H&M. But yes, talking about some of the other colors, so these two joggers that I've recently picked, these are from the same collection, the heavyweight collection, and the reason I picked up other colors as well, because I do wear joggers a lot. As I said earlier, I wear them everywhere and I can't wear a black jogger everywhere every time. I have to wear different colors. So I picked up these two different colors. So this is more of your beigeish color. Let's talk about this one. So this is your beigeish color that I picked up, something which is a lighter tone, just to give my outfits a little light color on it. Style this up with a couple of outfits, and somehow I was not feeling it. So this is something that which is not very easy, because this particular color would not go with every upper. Something which you can only probably try to go with a black upper or a white upper, or you can also try a red hoodie on it. I think these are the three possible colors that would look nice on it, or something like this, something like a lighter tone of beige color would also look good on it. But the good thing about this is that if you wear your white or black sneakers, they look really nice on a lower like this. I do have a similar color of cargo pants as well, and I generally wear my white colored sneakers on it. Definitely try this one out if you don't want to go for black. If not, then as we all know, brown is something which is very famous during winters, and this is also one of those joggers that you can style up with a lot of different colors. You can wear white and black. If you don't want to go for a white and a black upper on this, you can go for different colors. Like you can go for a yellow color. I think something which would look really nice on it would actually pops out yellow a lot. If not yellow, that you can actually try out something like salmon or pink as well, if you do wear that color. This definitely gives the Travis vibes. And talking about the sneakers, here would be to pull up an all white sneaker. If not, I would want to particularly try a red colored sneaker, beneath it. If not, I would want to try my New Balance yellow color sneakers as well. I think that would also look good. If not, you can go for a beigeish colored sneaker, or I'm not sure about black. I wouldn't suggest you go for a black color because two dark colors would not look good together. Definitely check these joggers out. They're very comfortable. I have been loving this particular one. I've been wearing this a lot. So that's it about the joggers. I've only picked 3 joggers and I think 3 is enough for the entire season. Quickly talking about the last item here. So this is a jacket. These are known as varsity jackets, and this is one jacket that I bought from UCB, United Colors of Benetton. And I think this is the first time ever that I bought anything from UCB so far. But I actually bought this from Myntra, and when I saw this jacket, I think it looked really nice. Again, as I mentioned, I have been, getting fond of this brown color lately, and when I saw this black color, jacket with just brown sleeves, I fell in love with this one. I had to try this out, and I think this looks really nice. I actually can't wait to wear this one out. And something which looks very classy. This is not one of those denim jackets that you can casually wear if you're going for a cafe. This is one jacket that you can go out for a family function, if you're going out for a cocktail party as well. I mean, or something that you just want to look presentable, look a little more, look a little better than the casual look. I mean, something that I can definitely wear if I'm going to office. Talking about the styling now, I would want to style this up with an all black outfit. I mean, I would want to try that out first. I would want to go for a black t-shirt, a black denim, and this particular jacket. Talking about the shoes, that can be a little tricky. If you do have brown boots, then you can definitely pull this up with brown boots. That particular combination, that particular outfit would look amazing. If you don't have boots, if you're not into boots, if you want to try a sneaker out, then I do have these. I bought these last year. These are Vans Skate Highs. This is not the exact brown shade, but again you can go for this one, kind of a mismatched color combination. Also, if you don't want to go for an all black outfit, what you can do is you can go for a cream or a beige color t-shirt. This jacket is not something that I would want to wear on a white t-shirt. You have those Chelsea suede boots. Then I think it's a perfect match. I don't have those yet, but that is definitely in my wish list. So if I plan to buy another boots, then I would definitely want to go for those. If not, then I do have my general tan boots. I would want to probably try this particular jacket out with those and see how it looks. I think that's it about the clothing articles over here. I talked about 3 hoodies, 3 crew neck sweatshirts, couple of jackets, a couple of joggers, and I've also talked about a few sneakers over here, so that's good. I'm going to end the video now. Before I end the video, something which is a must have in winters, those cold chilly winters, those winters when it comes in December and January, you need a headband. I got this headband from Uniqlo. This is kind of like a 3-in-1 kind of a thingy. You can style it up like a headband like this. You can style it up like a beanie as well, and you can use it as a neck warmer as well. I actually wore this in Kashmir as well when I was up in Gulmarg, which is one of the coldest places in Kashmir, and this was very warm. This is one of the heat tech technology items. It is a little expensive than your normal headbands or normal beanies. I mean, generally you can easily get a beanie for around 400-500 bucks. This one goes for 1000 rupees, which is, I know, a bit expensive. Now quickly, showing you the last item on the list. This is a brown headband, brown knitted headband. I didn't buy this one. My wife got this from Himachal when she got this one as well from there. And she also knows that I have been into brown color lately, so she bought this brown color headband for me. This is one of those hand knitted items that she bought from one of the local markets in there. I tried it on, looks really nice. I am so happy to get this particular color. She told me there were a couple of other colors as well, but I'm happy she got the brown one. She knows me very well. So yes, something that I think would go really well if I wear this jogger, wear a hoodie, and this on the top of it. Something like this and this, and beige color sneakers on the bottom. Perfect combination right here. So that's it about the video, guys. Thank you so much for staying this long. I know this has been a long video. I just assumed there were a lot of items to show, so that is the reason it went a bit long. And let's end the video over here. Thank you so much for all of those who have watched the video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, definitely comment down below which was the item that you liked the most in the entire clothing haul, or couple of sneakers that I've shown you as well, and which of the items that you would want to try it out for yourself, or if you have learned anything new probably in the video, or anything that you would want to comment down. So do comment down below, and thank you so much once again, and take care of yourself, take care of family members.